Hello, and welcome to Unboxly. Today we are going to be unboxing and assembling the LALO chairs and table set. This playset comes in a pretty sturdy box, so the first thing we are going to do is open it up and remove all the items. As a bonus, this set comes with giant coloring sheets that you can secure on top of the table. The instructions are short and simple. The table and chairs are easy to assemble. We will lay everything out for you to see before beginning the assembly. The set comes with 2 chairs, which stand on 4 legs each. The table also has 4 legs and a bracket to hold everything together. This particular set came with everything we needed to put it together. The written instructions are accompanied by pictures as well. Let us take a quick look at all of the components before we put this playset together. Now that we have double-checked everything is there, it's time to read the instructions and assemble the chairs and table. Everything is pretty simple. The legs pop into the bottom of the chair without the use of any tools. After finishing the first chair, we can move on to the next one. Again, simply enter the legs into the bottom of the chair and pop. You're done. Here I will give you a better vantage point on how this is done. Great! Now the chairs are done. Sturdy enough for the wildest toddler. Now we move on to the table, which requires a few more steps. To assemble the table, the first thing to do is insert the legs into the bottom, just like you did for the chairs. After inserting the legs, line the bracket up so that the holes align with the legs. Now you will use the wrench and screws provided to secure the legs. This is a pretty simple process. Once you are done with this step, your table is finished. Hooray! Double check that the screws are secure, but do not tighten them too much that you strip the threads. Okay. It is time to take a look at the finished product. Now your LALO chairs and table playset is complete. Don't forget the coloring sheets. I hope you enjoyed this simple unboxing video. Subscribe to support our channel.